heaviest rain ever recorded in Rio de Janeiro. The deluge triggered flooding and mudslides. At least 2,000 people have been forced from their homes after 11 inches of rain fell within 36 hours. Officials say a high tide came along with that rain and made the situation even worse. A lighter rain is expected through the weekend. Here in the Midwest, a spring storm made it tough for truckers passing through Iowa. Powerful winds blew 3 semi-trailers right off of Interstate 80, backing up traffic for miles. Heavy rain and pea-sized hail also pounded the area. The storm knocked down power lines, as you might imagine, as well. But amazingly, unfortunately, no injuries were reported.
Now, from certified broadcast meteorologist Amy Freeze, your Fox Chicago weather.
This is a real long cold front that came all the way across the Midwest today, and that's what caused the damage that we just saw. We're going to show you some more pictures, but first up, this live picture from the Shedd Aquarium. It's starting to reduce the visibility. Still some fog and mist out there tonight, the leftovers of this storm. Now, it's been impressive to see the rain amounts. We've had more than an inch in places like Romeoville. Live power Doppler tonight. The green boxes are counties that are still having problems with flooding. Too much rain in too short of time. We've had some wind reports, and this particular report coming out of Livingston County. One storm chaser caught this on video. Look at it. It's a funnel cloud, and when we go out to schools and we talk about the weather, sometimes we see these big long wall clouds that are very impressive, but this is the funnel cloud dropping out of the base of the cloud. It does not become a tornado until it touches down. It has to touch down to officially become a tornado, and you can see that Scott Lasker from Network Video caught this great vantage point. He was about 2-3 miles southeast of Chatsworth when he got this video, and very impressive footage. And a good storm chaser takes video just like that from a great distance and out of the way of the storm, but able to show us just the power of Mother Nature. So thank you so much for sending that in. It's all because of this cold front that we're getting stormy weather like that. A lot of lightning in it. We had a tornado watch issued from the Severe Storm Center. That's out of Norman, Oklahoma. That's since been dropped, but still, as these storms move through parts of Kentucky and Tennessee, big thunderstorms. For us, we're in between, sort of a sigh of relief. It's temporary, though. The backside of the storm, it's still to the north of Milwaukee through central Wisconsin, but the backside of it pulls down cold air. Not only cold air, but still some more moisture with it, and that's the combination that could spell trouble for us in the form of a wintry mix. Now, the high kilometer future resolution, look at this pink and blue mixing in. Mainly for the northern counties, McHenry and Lake, that's you, up near Waukegan, also into parts of Wakanda. We could see a wintry mix early tomorrow morning. Doesn't really slide that far south. We may get a few afternoon sprinkles in the Chicago area, but the wintry mix is mainly for the northern counties early tomorrow morning. A little rain, a little snow mixing in. It won't be pleasant, and temperatures are certainly cold enough for that to happen. Low 40s. We're matching up with the lakefront as the northeast winds come off Lake Michigan. McHenry right now is down to 35 degrees, so it is going to be cold for the next 24 hours or so, and then things really start to bounce back. Wait till you see the numbers. All right, it's true. Right now, we're on the cold side of everything. 60s and 70s are all in front of us, but this weather is going to start to shift off to the east, and as it does so, we get through this one little back side of the front, and as we do so, the rest of the week looks pretty great. Our temperatures start to come up, and we even see a lot of sunshine for the rest of the week. The weekend looks good as well. So watch the futurecast now. The problem is the mixing here of the snow. So if we see the pink or the blue showing up, that's our concern, and it's mainly north of Chicago. It sweeps through the area. I think by mid-afternoon, even the light rain and sprinkles are out of here, and Friday turns out to be just a great day around here. The jet stream is the big reason we're going to see the shift, and we'll finally move off to the east. This is by Thursday. We're still on the edge of that jet. Once that sweeps out of here, things calm down for the weekend and everything starts to look pretty impressive. So here's how the numbers shake out. 36 tonight in the city. Showers are likely. It will be windy at times, so it's going to feel very chilly tomorrow morning. Bundle up. not very spring-like. The high just 46 degrees. Then the numbers improve. 57 by Friday. This will be a nice day. 70 by Saturday. Sunday, our temperatures are back in the mid-60s because of a cool front, but not bad at all. Early next week, we're back to the 70s to near 80 degrees. It is feeling fine around here. I'm going to get up early tomorrow morning, join Ray Stevens over at US 99. We're going to talk a little bit more about the storms and severe weather season and whatever else he wants to talk about. Coming up, we also will rate the day. So stick up or stay up late and stick around because we have some more stuff to talk about in weather.
I don't know how you rate something that started out with snow overnight. But
I know. I'm going to have to come up with some kind of number.
Thank you, Amy.
Well, one more weather-related story to talk about now. Forecasters are expecting an above-average hurricane season this year. Yes, we're talking hurricanes already because experts at Colorado University, which each year make their predictions before the start of the season, and for 2010, they're predicting 15 tropical storms, 8 hurricanes, with 4 of those storms big enough to be considered major. The 6-month hurricane season starts June 1st.
An agonizing wait could be closer to coming to an end.
The entire country has been following this one. The mine disaster in West Virginia. Up next, where things stand tonight.
Also had the rumor that has shares in United Airlines flying higher.
Plus, one of the biggest mistakes that your kids can make online and the detective trying to stop them. Stay with Fox Chicago News at 9.
On the next Dr. Oz Show, prevent diseases before they strike. The secret sign.